Today I'm going to take my inverted Monster Doodle drawing and I'm going to take it into Photoshop and convert it into a piece of digital art, and I'm going to do a couple of different layouts. First up, I need to scan it, and then once I've taken it into Photoshop I need to do a couple of things with the layout. I'm making the canvas a little bit bigger so that I can draw monsters outside of the frame, and then I'm just going to drop the opacity on the drawing and make a layer to draw the outlines. Next up, the outlines. I'm going to draw these in a bright red to make them easy to see in the video, and then at the end when I make the final art piece I will turn them back into a white outline. I drew the outlines from the bottom up. I was very careful to try to make them nice and clean, but also not take away the hand-drawn look. It's very easy when you're in a digital application to make every curve perfect, so trying to keep that hand-drawn look was important to me. I also, when I was drawing outside of the frame where I didn't previously have a drawing, I was trying to make sure that I created a few interesting shapes there, so when it finished it had a good silhouette. While I was really happy with how the silhouette was coming, I decided that it was a good idea to go back down to the bottom because they felt all a bit the same, and I added this sort of demon towel to one of the characters. Now the outlines are complete, I needed to move on to making the layout for the two different drawings I wanted. The first one, all I had to do was take the outline, cut off the edge I didn't need, set it onto black, and then I also put a black frame around it. Moving on to the unframed drawing, all I had to do was select the area I didn't want black and then invert it and make a black layer underneath, and then I found that the edge was probably not that great going to white, so I added a small black frame to it as well. I really loved how these drawings came out. I hope you enjoyed the reveal and enjoyed the two different versions that I made.